Now I am going to explain how to install Java and the Eclipse, the IDE of Java. IDE means Integrated Development Environment, and how to set the class path and path environmentable variable. Okay, so let's get started with the environmentable variable. Oh, let's look about these two things. What is a path variable and a class path variable? Path variable uh, is nothing but the directory where the binary files will be looked for. So it will be existing in C slash java slash jdk 1.6.0 underscore 03 slash bin in my computer. So to set this path variable using the command prompt, type these command to set the path variable. Okay, and the next one is the class path variable. Class path variable is a environmentable variable which contains the jar files where your compiler look for it, the dot class files and the bytecode files, and these jar files and the dot class files will be present in the lib folder in the Java installation folder. For setting the class path using the command prompt, use this command, that is c slash set path is equal to percentile class path semicolon c slash where the address of that, copy the address of the whole part and leave a percentile after it. Now we can also set these class path and path environmentable variable in another way. So let's look about that. To set class path and path variable in environmentable variable by using the following steps. First one is right click on the system properties and go to the advanced tab here, and you will look at this window. Under the advanced tab, go to the environmentable variables here. Next you will get a pop-up like this, environmentable variable. Okay, then click new, and the right path is equal to variable name is equal to path, and variable value is equal to that folder, bin directory folder. Next one, and click OK, and the environmentable variable, create another variable for class path by clicking on new. Give the variable name as class path and give the variable value is equal to library folder where the address, where the Java is installed. And after you're finished, click on OK. That's it, you are done. Click on OK. Now coming to the installation of Java, download the JDK file from the www.java.sun.com and install the JDK only, but not the JRE version also, because JRE is also included in JDK version. We do guys don't know about this, and we tend to install JRE double times. That's so because to avoid waste of time, just skip the installation of JRE version, so it will work perfectly by not installing the JRE version also. Next, include the path of the bin directory to the path environmentable variable. That's it, you are done the installation of Java. Now coming to the installation of Eclipse, which is called the IDE, Integrated Development Environment of Java Programming, and download the Eclipse package from the Eclipse site. Complete the installation of Java. We have to do in order to install the Eclipse. First one is the complete the installation of Java. Second one, creating the Java home environmentable variable and setting the path of the Java variable as a value for it, and download the file that will be look like less. Just a minute, I will show you. Here, coming to Java here, yeah. So after you extract the rar file, you will get to know this Eclipse JEE, which will be used for JEE and J2 and Java, the first version, and its version name is Ganymede, which will work in Windows 32 bit. After you open this folder, you will get another folder called Eclipse. Directly run the Eclipse icon button here. That's it. You will run like this. We will see later upon this, and it will ask for workspace launcher every time. We will work on this later in the next video. Thank you.